Hello, and welcome to the latest news update on Canary News. Ford, the renowned U.S. automaker, is gearing up for a comeback in the Indian market with a strong emphasis on electric vehicles. Reports from the Hindu business line indicate that Ford, which exited the Indian market in 2021, is eyeing the utilization of manufacturing facilities in Chennai for its re-entry strategy. Meanwhile, according to sources from the Times of India, Ford has recently filed design patents for a sleek and contemporary mid-size SUV, poised to rival popular models like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. Recent filings reveal that the company has patented the design for its upcoming Endeavour SUV, which is set to bear the name Everest. Ford is also actively recruiting personnel for its operations at the Chennai facility. In addition, Ford has secured the trademark for Mustang Mach-E in India, hinting at the possibility of introducing its electric crossover to compete with other premium electric vehicles in the market, such as the Mercedes EQE, BMW 9, and Audi Q8 e-tron. Previously, there were reports that Ford was contemplating selling its Chennai plant and engaging in discussions with the JSW Group for this purpose. However, recent developments indicate that Ford has decided to indefinitely postpone these plans, signaling its commitment to its manufacturing presence in India. Before we continue, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. In other automotive news, Italy has engaged in discussions with Tesla and other automotive manufacturers regarding the possibility of establishing car production facilities within the country, as revealed by Industry Minister Adolfo Urso during a parliamentary hearing. Urso stated on Wednesday that these discussions have involved manufacturers that do not currently operate factories in Europe but are showing interest in the market. Additionally, the Italian government reached out to BYD, as disclosed by the Chinese company's top local executive to Bloomberg News earlier this week, as part of an initiative to attract major manufacturers beyond Fiat maker Stellantis. However, it remains uncertain whether Tesla and BYD will ultimately decide to invest in Italy. Tesla has expressed expectations of slower growth this year, and its plans for constructing a plant in Mexico are progressing gradually. On the other hand, BYD announced its intention to establish its first European car factory in Hungary late last year. Despite these challenges, Urso underscored local resistance to Tesla's expansion of its sole European car plant beyond Berlin, suggesting that this may prompt the American company to reassess its plans. In other crypto news, the demand for the cryptocurrency from new U.S. exchange-traded funds is surpassing the willingness of long-term holders to sell, igniting excitement in the crypto market. This has attracted momentum-driven traders, prompting speculators to close bearish positions as leveraged bets on further gains increase. In a volatile 24-hour period, Bitcoin surged up to 13% on Wednesday, its first time above $60,000 since November 2021. The leading U.S. digital asset exchange, Coinbase, experienced outages amid the surge in traffic before eventually restoring services. Bitcoin has already soared over 40% this year, buoyed by the successful launch of U.S. ETFs that directly hold the token. These funds, introduced by BlackRock and Fidelity among others, have attracted approximately $7 billion in net inflows since their debut on January 11. The cryptocurrency is now within striking distance of its pandemic-era peak of $68,991.85, reflecting bullish sentiment despite cautiousness in global markets due to revised expectations for monetary policy easing. The anticipation of an upcoming reduction in Bitcoin's supply growth, known as the halving, is contributing to the positive outlook, although there is ongoing debate about its actual impact on price dynamics. Bitcoin's remarkable resurgence from a 64% decline in 2022, which followed a series of scandals and bankruptcies, has positioned it as a standout performer compared to traditional assets like stocks and gold in 2024. However, the influx of funds into Bitcoin ETFs has raised concerns about a potential supply shortage, with approximately 80% of Bitcoin's supply remaining dormant over the past 6 months. Following the halving expected in late April, the daily production of new coins will have from 900 to 450. Advocates believe that if demand remains steady, this reduction in supply could drive further price appreciation. However, some observers caution against the rapid pace of Bitcoin's ascent, warning of the boom and bust cycles characteristic of the crypto market. Jamie Beza, founder of crypto hedge fund A&B Investments, expressed concerns about high leverage and the possibility of a sharp correction, while acknowledging the reluctance to short the rally amidst its ongoing momentum. Moving along to other tech news, resellers of Apple products in China are reducing prices for iPhone 15 models by up to $180, indicating an unusually prolonged downturn in demand. On Alibaba's Tmall platform, iPhone 15 Pro Max devices are now available at prices $180 lower than their original prices. This markdown is more significant than the approximately $120 discount offered on Apple's smartphone lineup around the same period last year, and similar price cuts can be found on JD's online platform. However, Apple's official store is maintaining the original prices for these devices. The latest iPhone generation has not garnered the typical popularity of Apple's flagship series in China. Since its launch in September, the iPhone 15 family has faced challenges in sales, attributed to economic difficulties across the country and the unexpected resurgence of Huawei's smartphone business. According to IDC analyst Will Wang, Apple is aligning with the deflation trend in China to stimulate demand for iPhones. IDC's preliminary January data indicates that pressure on iPhone sales primarily stemmed from other Android vendors, with Apple experiencing a year-on-year decline of around 10%, while Huawei saw triple-digit growth during the same period. The recent discounts emerged after the Lunar New Year holiday, following rare price reductions on Apple's website in January. However, a company representative did not respond to requests for comment. In the quarter ending December, Apple's sales in China fell by 13% to $20.8 billion, significantly below analysts' predictions of $23.5 billion. This marked Apple's weakest performance for that period in the Asian nation in years. That is all the time we have for today. Tune in again tomorrow for the latest news update. Remember to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. This will allow our videos to reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching.